for the mighty Traxxas Slash. This is the best-selling light kit. We have a couple more lights for the hood, lights for stoplights and smart lights, things like that. But this one is the best seller, so we're gonna be reviewing this one. Okay, so for the roof light bars, we actually have this one. It's pretty similar to the one in, let me show you, in the Senton. As you can see, it's a bit different. This is wider, it has some different details, but it's pretty much the same. It's 4 bolts from the top, then you screw it in from the inside with some nuts. It comes all pre-assembled, so you don't have to solder anything, it's just plug and play. Let's move on to the front ones. We have 2 styles. We have the light bar style, and then we have the bulb styles like this one. And we have these side, I don't know, turn signals or whatever you want to call it, fog lights. Then let's move on to the rear. We have these nice shaped lights. It's actually 3 LEDs here and 3 LEDs here, and it has some red lenses. It gives it this cool shape. Okay, so Underglow Lights. In this case we have the small Underglow light bars. There's another one that is a strip light bar, actually flexible. You can just glue it all the way in and you will get an underbody and underglow effect, so you will have both at the same time. This one is the small one, and of course we also have the wing. It's a carbon fiber wing. It has some nice supports here. It has also a plastic part that goes inside here. It's that would be the wing mount there. The best about this kit is that it's the easiest to mount. Let me show you. It's just insert and lock. You see, this is the light. You just put it in and it locks right there. Same with the front light bar. You see, you can remove it, you can put it back in. It locks right in. Same with the rear ones. Rear ones are kind of a little bit harder to put on, but once you have it on, you will never remove it.